This is Karen Brick recording homework 2 for Entrepreneurial Finance. Chapter 8, question 1 is uncertain as many agreements have a lockup provision prohibiting investors from selling their stock for a predefined period of time following an IPO. 8.2, most of these answers were pulled from the table that was provided. A is OPP is equal to $1 per share. APP is equal to 6 million. B is 6 million shares. C, 25%. D, post-money valuation is 18 million. And E, pre-money valuation is equal to 24 million. Moving along to chapter 9, question 9.1. Case 1, anti-dilution, is 20%. Case 2 is 55.6%. Case 3 is 1 times A plus B over A plus C. That gives us 84%. From there, we plug the numbers into the formula to end up with 22.9%. Case 4, using similar logic, we end up with 29.4%. And then question 9.2, we have to graph the 6 possible structures. So the first thing that we have to do is find out what that conversion point is. And with adding the founder shares plus the employee shares plus the Series 1A share, that becomes the denominator. The 6 million Series A shares, the numerator, that gives us 1.4. I'm sorry, 1 over 4, which will become the slope for our graphs. Those are here graphed on notebook paper. So we'll start with structure 1, which is 6 million shares of common. Structure 1 was the original structure considered in the exercise with 6 million shares of CP. And then structure 2 was the 6 million shares of common. And then structure 3 is the RP plus 6 million shares of common. These are not drawn to scale. Then we have structure 4, which is really just a hybrid of structure 1 and 3, using the formulas that they offered there in the text. We were able to come up with the before conversion amount of 34.5 million, and then we see it drops off to the 30 million after that. Structure 5, that is the PC with participation as if 6 million shares of common with liquidation returned, capped at 5 times the OPP. Again, just using the formulas provided in the text, we were able to find the APP, and then the volume conversion condition, and then the conversion point, which was 102. And that voluntary conversion condition was 120 million. That's how we got that here, as we see on the graphs. And then the last one that we have is structure 6. We'll come to W being 12, and we just put that right there in the graph. And that is the last one for this homework. Thank you.